Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City checking into the Claridge, and that can mean only one thing. It's Super Bowl Sunday. I stay at the Claridge every Super Bowl Sunday. It's the cheapest room in town, and it's a nice building and a nice room. It's clean, it's old, it's small, but it's clean, it's got a lot of history. So I'm gonna head up there. I think I'm on the 7th floor. Come on along with me, I'll show you what the room looks like. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. As I said earlier, the Claridge is my go-to hotel come Super Bowl Sunday, which I'm in Atlantic City pretty much every Super Bowl Sunday. I like to visit every sports book along the boardwalk and make a video out of it. And of course, that video is about 2 weeks ago, if you want to check it out here on the New York channel. I like staying at the Claridge because, one, I don't get comped anywhere Super Bowl Sunday. And number two, this is the cheapest ticket as far as rooms here in Atlantic City. I think I paid all told, I think it was $102. That's with everything, all the fees and everything else. Not bad considering all the other hotels and casinos were asking $300, $400, and $500 this particular night. So, and again, I enjoy staying here. It's an old building. The rooms are small and the bathrooms are even smaller, but it's clean. And actually the furniture and all the furnishings, the rugs, the walls, everything in this room looks new. It's just a building that's old. The Claridge opened in 1930 during the Great Depression, and the Claridge became the last of the great hotels built in Atlantic City near the boardwalk. No new resorts rose in the city until the 1960s, when a Howard Johnson's hotel was built along the boardwalk, which is now part of Caesars. Due to the Claridge's tall, slick, slender appearance, it gained the nickname the Skyscraper by the Sea. The Claridge was a successful hotel during the 1930s, 40s, and 50s. Marilyn Monroe was a special guest there in the 1950s when she was a judge of the annual Miss America pageant. And despite Atlantic City's downturn as a premier vacation resort in the 1960s, the hotel continued to operate and survived into the casino era. In 2012, the Claridge ended its gambling and food operations, and Bally's, who has that hallway that connects right here to the Claridge, which owned the building at the time, continued to use it as rooms for its guests. Currently, the hotel is owned by the Radisson Group. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. By the way, a video of the entire Claridge complex is coming up shortly on the New York channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.